Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about sharks. Since I'm pressed for time and have a lot to say, let's dive in. As on Earth, sharks are a diverse and successful clade of aquatic predators. The inland sea alone is home to almost 200 species. The largest shark of Kaimere is the notorious Otodus megalodon. Their young grow up in the inland sea where they are one of the top predators. Once they reach adulthood, these sharks take to the oceans where they are a rare but dominant presence. One of the smallest is the Sparrow Shark, a tiny hand-sized predator that hunts small fish in flocking schools. Some species of Chimeran shark, like the tiger, bronze and blue mako, rose shark, porbigal, and speckled hammerhead, are all quite similar or indistinguishable from their earthly kin. Others, like the Frogmouth sharks, form a clade completely unique to Kaimere. The Panther shark is Chimere's answer to the great white. These animals are specialized for shallow habitats, their patterns helping them blend into the sands of the inland sea. Although they resemble great whites, they are closer to the extinct Ginsu shark. There are several freshwater sharks too, taking advantage of the many vast estuaries and deltas to explore these habitats, along with some upriver. The estuarine sawtooth is quite common in the seritic wetlands, and many species of frogmouth can be found in these saline marshes as well. As the oceans of Kaimere are teeming with plankton from the deep-sea volcanic activity and the purple algae endemic to the planet, filter feeders are quite diverse and successful. The whale and megamouth shark can be found in warm and cold waters respectively. Eagle sharks, which have been long extinct on Earth, are quite successful on Kaimere. The smaller ocean species form schools of over 1,000 individuals to harvest masses of plankton and small crustaceans brought from upwells. The parrot shark is a species common in the reef, and the most frequently encountered by Chimerans. The greater eagle shark is, after megalodon, the largest shark of Kaimere, and often serve as escorts for smaller marine animals. In the abyss, there are more species of sharks. Some, like the sleeper shark, would be familiar to us. Others, such as the cobra dogfish, are related to species on Earth but much larger. Strangest of the deep-sea sharks is the autok. Although technically not a shark, these enormous eugenodonts occasionally rise up to the surface or are washed ashore, influencing the belief by many Kalin that the deep oceans are the domain of titanic nightmares. Their jaws, oriented in a single row of teeth on the top and bottom, work like a bone saw, helping them cut into the bodies of krakens and carcasses of the leviathans that sink to the bottom of the polar sea. Although many of these sharks can be quite dangerous, as on Earth, none seek out humans or have any malicious intent. They aren't villains. The few attacks that do occur are usually a case of mistaken identity. Even the terrifying megalodon, which could easily disable a ship, tends to avoid people. Although some Chimeran civilizations fear and hate sharks, most of them recognize these as animals that, if given respectful space, can be safely appreciated. Most Chimeran sharks have surprisingly gentle dispositions despite misplaced reputations. Sharks are crucial members of the Chimeran aquatic ecosystem and are key to the continued success and health of these verdant oceans.